this piece here, guys, I stuffed up this really bad. The sticker fell onto the actual desk and got stuck, so it's a little bit torn, as you can see where I focus a bit better there, but this is coming together quite nice. Okay, so this is how the sticker should look, but this is the next piece coming together. Okay, so here we have the finished product, guys, the Sengoku Astray Gundam. I did add a little bit of gold to the actual samurai sword itself. On the handle, it's probably a little bit hard to see, but there's some pretty cool little detailing on there. Did add some gold onto the shield. I will go back to this model later on and add some black to the actual shield as well, just so to colour in the bits of the teeth on the shield. But this is a really cool model. Had a lot of fun building this one, and yeah, stay tuned for lots more builds on Gundam Rush Builds, guys. Catch you later.